The Aerobic digester is a state-of-the-art machine that can save your company thousands of pounds in waste costs. It's the future of clean, cost-effective waste management for businesses in the hospitality and food services sectors. Easy to use, it has a unique app to record all waste being processed through the machine in real time and communicates this information via a cloud server to any remote device. This permits a customer to monitor food waste continuously and to maintain an electronic data record that can be used for sustainability and environmental reports. Here's Alex Bates, Food and Beverage Cost Controller from the fine new Nobu Hotel in London, the latest addition to the world-renowned group of Nobu hotels and restaurants, to tell us why they use it.
This is our food digester from Aerobic Technologies. We put all of our food waste in here, all of our fish heads, lobster shells, pretty much everything left over from food goes in here. Very simple. Slide open the lid, pour the stuff inside, and then close the lid again. There's hardly any smell, and any smell that there is a sweet smell. We've cut down our waste output by about a quarter to a third by being able to put our food waste into here and not into the regular bins and send it out with the regular rubbish.
The machine will digest all organic waste. Its capacity ranges from 100 kg to 5,000 kg per day, and it processes in real-time data. The machine works 24 hours a day. It helps reduce costs and is low maintenance and easy to clean. For more information, visit our website.